Have you ever wondered if something as simple as writing a few numbers on your hand could completely change your financial situation? Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? But in Buddhist teachings and many spiritual traditions, numbers are not just meaningless symbols, they carry powerful energy that can influence your life. Today, I'm going to share a magical yet incredibly simple method to help you overcome financial struggles and invite prosperity into your life. This isn't about magic or something mystical beyond understanding. It's rooted in ancient spiritual principles and how we interact with the universe's energy. By writing the right numbers on your hand, not just any numbers but 3 specific ones I'm about to reveal, you can align yourself with the flow of abundant energy and pave the way for financial success. But why the hand? And why numbers? Because your hand is not just a tool for action, it's also a bridge between your body, mind, and the universe. The left hand, especially in many spiritual practices, including Buddhism, is considered the channel for receiving energy. When you write these numbers on your left hand, you're sending a clear message to the universe that you're ready to receive prosperity and the opportunities coming your way. You might think, how can writing a few numbers possibly make a difference? The answer: quite a lot. Each number holds a unique meaning, and when written on your hand with focus and belief, they activate latent energy and invite transformative change into your life. But that's not all. This practice is not just symbolic. It's also a tool to help you reframe your mindset, expand your perspective, and build a stronger connection to the flow of universal abundance. Before we dive deeper, I want you to take a moment to complete a simple yet important step. Click the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave an affirmation in the comments below. Write, "I open my heart to receive prosperity from the universe." This is not just a way to support the channel. It's also your first step toward activating positive energy and connecting with the method I'm about to share. In today's video, I'll not only explain how to write these numbers, but also uncover why they carry such incredible power. Why can they help you transform your financial situation? From erasing debts to unlocking unexpected opportunities, I'll also share real-life stories of people who have applied this method and achieved extraordinary results. What's the best part? This method is incredibly simple to practice. It doesn't require any special tools or advanced knowledge. All you need is a pen, a quiet space, and the focus to initiate change. But here's the key: you have to be ready. Ready to open your heart to abundance. Ready to change the way you think about wealth. And ready to take action. So, are you ready to discover the 3 special numbers that could change your financial life forever? Don't look away, because every minute of this video contains a vital piece of your journey toward unlocking prosperity. Promise you, once you grasp the power of these numbers and understand how to use them, you'll realize that wealth is not something far away. It's been here all along, waiting for you to open your heart and receive it. Stay tuned, because I'm about to reveal the first number. A number that carries powerful energy and can completely transform how you attract prosperity into your life. Number 1. The power of number 9. The first number you need to write on your hand is 9. In Buddhist philosophy and many other spiritual traditions, the number 9 carries a profound meaning. It symbolizes completion, the closing of an old cycle, and preparation for a new beginning. This is not just a number. It's a powerful symbol of transformation and liberation, encouraging you to let go of old burdens to make room for better things to come. The number 9 represents the energy of an ending, but not a permanent one. Instead, it signifies a transition, a reminder that to invite new prosperity, we must be willing to release limiting beliefs, outdated financial habits, or burdens holding us back. When you write the number 9 on your left hand, you are sending a strong message to the universe that you are ready to welcome new opportunities, abundant energy, and positive change. In Buddhist teachings, the number 9 is also associated with compassion and enlightenment. It's a number that connects us to the energy of giving and receiving. The energy of 9 reminds us that prosperity doesn't just come from accumulation, but also from generosity and the willingness to share. When you practice letting go, you're not only creating space within yourself, but also activating a flow of energy that allows better things to enter your life. The shape of the number 9 is also significant. It starts with a closed circle, a symbol of completion, and then opens downward, representing release and the flow of energy. Writing the number 9 on your hand is not just a symbolic act. It's a reminder that you are ready to embrace major transformations in your life, particularly in the realm of finances. Let's consider the story of a woman named Anna. For many years, Anna was trapped in a cycle of debt and financial stress. She felt there was no way out of her struggles. After learning about the significance of the number 9, she decided to write it on her left hand as an act of intention to release old burdens. Every time she wrote it, she paired it with the affirmation, "I let go of what no longer serves me and welcome prosperity." Over time, Anna began to notice positive changes. She felt lighter, less worried about her financial situation. More importantly, she started to see opportunities where she hadn't before. A new job with a higher salary came her way, and she also discovered ways to restructure her debts. Anna believes that her practice with the number 9 helped her close a difficult chapter and open a new one filled with hope. When you write the number 9 on your hand, you are inviting the same energy into your life. This number doesn't just help you release what no longer fits. It encourages you to develop a more positive mindset and view your finances from a fresh perspective. It reminds you that all struggles are temporary and that every ending is simply a preparation for a better beginning. As you perform this practice, take a moment to focus and repeat the affirmation, "I close old cycles and open the door to prosperity." This affirmation isn't just words. It's a way to send a clear intention to the universe while solidifying your belief in transformation. The number 9 is more than just a digit. It's a symbol of completion, transformation, and hope. By integrating the energy of 9 into your life, you're opening the door to better things, both financially and spiritually. Take a pen, write the number 9 on your left hand, and prepare to welcome the flow of prosperity from the universe. Every moment is an opportunity. Let the number 9 guide you on your journey to abundance. Number 2. The power of number 5. The next number you need to write on your hand is 5. In Buddhist philosophy and many spiritual traditions, the number 5 symbolizes change, balance, and harmony with the 5 fundamental elements of the universe: earth, water, fire, air, and space. This is not just a number. It is a reminder that prosperity doesn't come from rigidity or resistance, but from adaptability and a willingness to transform when necessary. Number 5 is often seen as the number of freedom and transformation. It encourages you to embrace change and view challenges as opportunities for growth. In the realm of finances, the number 5 reminds us that current difficulties are only temporary and can be overcome by adjusting your mindset and seeking balance between material desires and spiritual well-being. When you write the number 5 on your hand, you are sending a clear message to the universe that you are ready to adapt, remain flexible with opportunities, and welcome prosperity in new ways. The shape of the number 5 is also symbolic. Its curved top resembles a bowl, ready to receive energy, while its sturdy bottom connects to a strong foundation. This represents the balance between welcoming new experiences and maintaining stability in your mind and finances. Writing the number 5 on your hand is a reminder that wealth doesn't just come from earning money, but also from how you manage, adjust, and use it in a balanced way. Consider the story of a young entrepreneur named Mark. Mark's business faced significant challenges due to unexpected changes in the market. Feeling stuck and directionless, he came across the meaning of the number 5 in Buddhist philosophy. Deciding to give it a try, Mark began writing the number 5 on his left hand each morning, paired with the affirmation, "I am ready to change and embrace balance in my life." Not long after, Mark noticed a shift in his mindset. He began to see difficulties not as barriers, but as opportunities to adjust his business strategies. By embracing flexibility, Mark found new ways to adapt his products to better meet market demands, ultimately unlocking new revenue streams. He credits the energy of the number 5 with helping him align with the power of change and balance, enabling him to overcome his challenges. The number 5 also reminds us that finances are not just numbers on paper, but a flow of energy that needs to be managed harmoniously. When you write the number 5 on your hand, you connect yourself with the energy of the 5 fundamental elements, encouraging balance and harmony between material desires and spiritual well-being. This practice not only helps you manage your finances better, but also brings a sense of peace, freedom, and stability. To maximize the power of the number 5, when writing it on your left hand, take a moment to focus and recite the affirmation. I find balance between wealth and peace in my soul. This affirmation helps you adjust your mindset and sends a strong message that you are ready to adapt and change to achieve prosperity. The number 5 is a symbol of freedom, change, and balance. By applying the energy of this number, you're not only inviting financial abundance into your life, but also building a stable foundation in harmony with your deeper values. Take a pen, write the number 5 on your left hand, and open the door to new, promising opportunities. Change is the key to discovering the prosperity and balance you truly deserve. Number 3. The power of number 4. The final number you need to write on your hand is 4. In Buddhist philosophy, the number 4 represents the 4 noble truths: suffering, its cause, cessation, and the path leading to liberation. This is not just a number. It is a symbol of stability, strength, and the foundation upon which all growth depends. When it comes to finances, the number 4 signifies discipline, commitment, and the ability to build a lasting foundation for prosperity. The number 4 is often associated with practicality and structure. It serves as a reminder that to achieve sustainable wealth, you need plans, strategies, and the discipline to stick to them. Writing the number 4 on your hand sends a clear message to the universe that you are dedicated to building a financially stable future, not through luck, but through action and determination. The shape of the number 4 reflects its symbolism: solid, with firm angles like a 4-legged table, representing balance and strength. It reminds you that all prosperity requires a strong foundation to grow, and you have the ability to create that foundation by cultivating good habits and maintaining perseverance. Let's take a look at Sarah's story. Sarah often felt trapped in a cycle of uncontrolled spending and found it impossible to save money. After learning about the significance of the number 4 in Buddhist philosophy, she decided to try writing it on her left hand every day. She paired this practice with an affirmation: I build a stable and lasting financial foundation. From that point on, Sarah began changing her approach to money. She started dedicating time to budgeting, tracking her expenses, and learning how to save intentionally. Although there weren't immediate drastic changes, the small, consistent steps she took allowed her to build a solid financial foundation. Within a year, Sarah had paid off a significant portion of her debt and even started investing in her future. She credits the energy of the number 4 with helping her stay focused and disciplined, leading to these positive changes. The number 4 also reminds us that finances are not just about earning money, but also about how we manage and sustain it. It encourages you to think long-term, set clear goals, and persist in pursuing them even when challenges arise. When you write the number 4 on your hand, you are not just focusing on achieving wealth but committing to maintaining it in a stable and sustainable way. To maximize the power of the number 4, as you write it on your hand, pair it with an affirmation such as, I build a strong foundation for lasting prosperity. Visualize yourself constructing a financial house, where each brick you lay represents a small but meaningful step forward. The number 4 symbolizes stability, resilience, and commitment. By applying the energy of this number in your life, you are not only inviting prosperity but ensuring that it endures. Take a pen, write the number 4 on your left hand, and begin your journey to creating a strong and lasting financial foundation. Remember, every lasting success starts with small but steady steps. The number 4 will guide you in maintaining balance and stability throughout your journey. How to write the numbers for manifestation. Now that you understand the meaning and power of the 3 numbers we're using, the next important step is to follow the process of writing them correctly to maximize their energy. This isn't just about physically writing the numbers. It's about creating a strong connection between your intention and the energy of the universe. First, make sure to choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. It could be a relaxing corner in your home, a meditation space, or any place that brings you peace. This space not only helps you focus, but also serves as a point of connection between you and the surrounding energy. Be sure that you're in a positive emotional and mental state, as your energy is a crucial factor in determining the effectiveness of this practice. Before starting, take a few moments to breathe deeply. With each inhale, imagine yourself drawing in positive energy, and with each exhale, release any negative thoughts, worries, or distractions. The calmer and more focused you are, the more powerful and effective this ritual will be. Next, prepare a pen or marker that you feel comfortable using. The color of the pen is also important. You might choose green, yellow, or red, as these colors are often associated with prosperity and positive energy in many spiritual traditions. Each color will further amplify the intention and energy you wish to project. Begin by writing each number on your left hand. This hand is symbolic of receiving energy from the universe. You can write on your palm or the back of your hand, whichever feels more comfortable and natural to you. As you write, do so slowly and intentionally, feeling the flow of each stroke and imagining the energy of the number pouring into you, inviting financial prosperity and stability into your life. When writing the number 9, focus on releasing old patterns, limitations, or obstacles that are holding you back, and visualize yourself opening a new chapter in life. Speak your affirmation out loud, such as, "I let go of what no longer serves me and welcome new opportunities." Next, write the number 5 and feel the energy of change and flexibility flowing through you. Imagine yourself adapting easily to new opportunities that come your way. Say the affirmation, "I am ready to change and align with the flow of prosperity." Finally, write the number 4 to solidify your intention of building a stable and lasting financial foundation. Picture yourself laying the first bricks of a prosperous future. Repeat the affirmation, "I build a strong and lasting foundation for financial success." After writing the numbers, take a moment to keep your hand open and feel the energy of these numbers. Close your eyes and visualize these numbers glowing with radiant light, connecting you to the flow of abundance from the universe. Imagine your life filled with new opportunities, financial stability, and harmony in every aspect. This ritual is not just about writing numbers. It's a way to channel your intentions into action and align your personal energy with the energy of the universe. Trust the process and stay persistent. Every time you perform this practice, you are moving closer to your financial goals. Final reminder: remember, the power of these numbers doesn't lie in the numbers themselves, but in the intention and belief you place in them. Combining the act of writing with focused energy and strong affirmations will unlock your inner potential, create positive change, and invite prosperity into your life. Take your pen, write these 3 numbers on your hand, and begin your journey toward manifesting your goals today. Change is waiting. Let these 3 numbers guide you.